Addis Ababa. Coffee steam and soft sun in my eyes. Dust on my shoes but my heart shining. Dreams rising higher than the power lines. Yellow cranes like quiet giraffes, touching clouds where the birds used to fly. Roads under construction, people sidestepping, but the traffic can't slow this pride. City within a city, Addis Ababa. Stunning how the skyline keeps growing taller. Sons and daughters working through the daylight, hands in the dirt, minds on the blue sky. City within a city, Addis Ababa. Step after step we draw the future nearer. Every new street, every small brick rising. I feel you turning brighter this year. Arab signs above the doorway, spices dancing in the evening air, Spanish on the tongue of a stranger. Three worlds meeting in the same small square. Office glass over old tin roofs, shadows stretching where we used to play. Buildings popping up here and there, like promises that finally stay. City within a city, Addis Ababa. Stunning how the skyline keeps growing taller. Sons and daughters working through the daylight, hands in the dirt, minds on the blue sky. City within a city, Addis Ababa. Step after step we draw the future nearer. Every new street, every small brick rising. I feel you turning brighter this year. Harvest your heart with a jazz time rhythm. Oh yeah. Air break prayers in the soft night wind. Little Spanish phrases on my headphones as I walk and watch the world begin. City within a city, Addis Ababa. Stunning how the skyline keeps growing taller. Sons and daughters working through the daylight, hands in the dirt, minds on the blue sky. City within a city, Addis Ababa. Step after step we draw the future nearer. Every new street, every small brick rising. I feel